baby is still sleeping. We made it here to Yekta. I just need a few things, not a whole bunch of things like we usually get. Just tea, some roses and cardamom, and also some conserve food, easy to grab for snacks, because I can't spend much time cooking really with the baby and everything else that I have to do. We have been talking about moving, and so I think it'll be nice to have a memory of the places around here that we like and go to. We come here quite often, and really, well, I wanted to say the places we're thinking of are Florida, California. Those are the two we've been talking about the most. We're looking for warmer weather too, I guess. But truthfully, I would want to go to Europe. Yeah, somewhere in Europe, but I don't know if that's possible in the near future, so we'll see how things go. The main focus is to try and open a business, so we have to try and go where we'll get traffic and get customers. Otherwise, it's pretty hard going out with the baby, so I try not to go out as much. It's a struggle actually, but yeah, we're gonna try to make it happen. It's time to get baby. You ready? question. Excuse me? There is no ice cream?
Ice cream?
Yeah.
The ice cream is in the other refrigerator.
Oh, they changed it. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Did I pass it? Ice cream, no. Oh, goodness gracious. There's the ice cream. Wow. Abby is coming to town, but unfortunately, with the baby, I cannot go. It would have been nice. Well, let's hope we got everything we needed from Yekta. And Aldi is right across the street. Guess what? I had to strap baby in, get baby off of the carrier, put him back into his seat, and for what, like 2 seconds. Then I gotta do it over again. Get him out of the seat, put him in his carrier so that we can go in the store quickly. We shall see you there.
شديد. السمت راست خارج شديد.
Yay, we are finally back home. I am so happy. Everything went okay. I stressed out over having to take baby out and going shopping because it's not always easy, especially when I let everything run out and I need to shop for absolutely everything. It's a lot of work. But I couldn't make it to my next destination because I got everything that I needed and a little more. I got some Persian ice cream and I don't want it to melt because even though it's hot outside, the sun is so bright that it actually makes the car warm. So I don't want it to melt. We're gonna go put it away, and then I realized that I have an appointment, so I'll have to stop by my friend tomorrow. I didn't get a chance to mention it earlier, but Yekta is a Persian supermarket. It used to have a restaurant next to it, but they've expanded it since the pandemic and made it into a bigger supermarket, but they still have food that you can order to go. So what we got some butter. This is black raisin, best tea. We love that tea. Persian ice cream, which is why I had to run home. White cheese. I got the Danish one this time, but I love that kind of cheese. Nabat, pumpkin seed, the cardamom rose, more pumpkin seed, and more pumpkin seed. Shoot. Oh my goodness, I did not mean to take that one. I didn't want that one, but I guess it stayed in the cart and made it here. And lastly, we got fried eggplant, which I like. It's easy to put on top of rice and have a quick meal. I also make fried eggplant myself, but with baby, it's hard to, make long courses of meals. So that's it. Since the pandemic started, we wash everything before putting them away, so I'm gonna wash them and store them. I'm not sure if it's possible to show it in front of the camera. Nice tea. All set. Really, all I got from Aldi was the tilapia, potatoes, orange, grapes, cauliflower, broccoli, onions, and some cashews to munch on when I'm hungry and don't have time to make much food. Time to wash them. Alright, and that's it. I got lucky today because most of the things that I got I could just place in another container that I already had here, and just these few things needed to truly be washed. These ones I'll rinse and I'll already cook them and start eating the grapes. I have to change baby real quick. Yes, love. Yes, love. Chishuri. Chishuri. Hmm? Did you finish to the love? Have you finished to the love? Oh boy. Hold on, you can be on this side. And give me a minute. Alright. All set. Baby is all changed. There he is. Doo-doo. I am still down here, so I'm about to go boil some broccoli and cauliflower so I can get something to eat. is easy tilapia. I get this lemon pepper seasoning from Aldi. I love it because you can just add it to meat or fish and it's ready to be cooked. Alright. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of lemon juice on it, either fresh lemon or the lemon juice that you get from the store. Let's see what I have. I do have half a lemon that was left. This will allow the seasoning to penetrate into it and make it taste better. And that's it. Let me grab the camera and give you a closer look. Looks delicious. Looks really good. Ready for cooking. This is the final result of the food that I made. Last time I went to the doctor, I was 10 pounds heavier than I was before getting pregnant. And I'm sad to say that majority of that weight was gained after I gave birth, because while I was pregnant, I had to eat like this. I had to eat healthy at the very end because for at least a month and a half or so, to prevent my blood sugar from spiking. So I am hoping to, and the week after I gave birth, I survived on chocolate. That was in addition to my meals, but I was in pain. I felt so bad, and that was physically and emotionally, that chocolate was comfort for me. But I am so excited to have a plan and implement it to get back into shape. Now, I'm not able to go to the gym anymore as I used to before the pandemic. So I'm gonna have to find alternative ways to get a little bit of exercise in, but I am mostly going to lose the weight by controlling my meals. And this is a good healthy meal right here. I don't have any carbs or much of carbs other than the veggies in this meal. Just because, but actually I could have some carbs. I have some sweet potatoes. I'll just throw some of it in there and that'll be my carb. But now I can truly finally say this is the end of our day. I really appreciate you hanging out with us. If you made it through the entire video, thank you for sticking with us. And again, the best way to make the most of my channel is to check the playlist and see the topics that you're interested in as we talk about various different things on here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye. Finally, bye.